Hello, my little kids. This is your second lesson in Bal Bharati English book. And the name of the lesson is Go and Come. Go and come. Go and come. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. See the cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. See the cow's dung. Manure means the cow's dung mix with the soil and give it to the plant. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needed weeding. Weeding means remove grass and unwanted plants from the garden. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. I can't do it. I can't do it, he said. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to, not just now, said the little boy. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? Uncle told me, weed the garden, said the little boy. Oh, said his mother. What fun that will be. I love to weed. And it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed? Why, yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. This lesson taught us that always obey your parents' order. Always say, yes, I can do it. In this picture, you will see all the family members are looking very happy. They are also working very happily. By helping your family members, you will get a chance to chat, laugh, and joy of working together. Never say, I can't do it. Always say, I can do it. Yes, I can. I can do it. Thank you for watching and listening. Take care of yourself and your family members. Bye bye. See you soon.